Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day today. I am coming on today to share with you some Travelers notebooks that I have been creating. I made one for a friend, and then I made two more that I actually am going to put up for sale. So first I'm going to share with you the one that I created for a crafty friend. These are B6 size Travelers notebooks. I was inspired by several YouTubers here on YouTube. Bona, who is Live Love Scrap. The Tara, who is, I think it's the Tara 148. Her name is Sharon. And Luisa Diaz, who is KSP by Luisa here on YouTube. All of those ladies have tutorials and have inspired me to create this, and Gina Scrapinology. Throw that out there as well. All of those ladies have given me some inspiration and shared tutorials on how to create this. So if you are interested in making your own, definitely check out those ladies. All right, so let's get started. Here is the first one that I made, and I just love the way it came out. I used that new paper pad by Craftsmith. It's Ooh La La. And this is how it turned out. I used this page for the cover, and it says Peace, Love, and Lashes. I created a charm, which is like a felt embellishment that I picked up from Michael's last year. Added a little Swarovski crystal to my heart, and then added this little purse charm. Somebody gifted me these charms. It may have been Nurse Tara 04. I can't remember, but I saw them in my stash and I thought it was perfect for this TN. And this little idea to poke a hole through this little heart was from my friend Nurse Tara, and also Armene. She shared something similar to this, and I thought, oh, how super cute. So anyway, did that for the little charm that's dangling on the front. And then on the side, I added one of my faux leather tassel bows that I've created and I've shared with you guys in the past. These bows that I created, and it's fun to make a bunch at one time, so when you're ready to use them, you have them made and you can just pop them on a project. So this one, you can see I added the heart bling on the front and on the back, and I just thought it was so pretty. So if you have this sitting on your shelf, on your desk, or on a bookshelf, it just looks really pretty, just dangling from the spine of the book. All right, so let's open it up and see what the goodies are on the inside. All right, so, and then also I use this really pretty pink elastic 2mm stretchy cording, which I picked up off of an Etsy store, and I'll be sharing that information really soon with you guys about that store, in case you were wondering about that. So you open it up, and this is the inside, and I did laminate and I did double-sided. I did have to glue the papers together to create double-sided paper. This is one of the little cut-aparts out of the collection. It is laminated, and it just says, I deserve new shoes, and I just thought that was really cute. I did make a notebook, a bookmark, using a Marion Design tag die that I have. And it's double-sided, and it's really pretty. And then I also laminated this little cut apart that says looking good, and stuck that inside of this first pocket right here. So I'll stick that back in there. And then I did create a shaker pocket, and I was watching Luisa's videos, and she explains how to create these. And so what I did was I made one for this size notebook, and then I decided to split it in half so that I could have a fun little sequence pocket on the top, and then on the bottom I added one of the cut parts, and this one just slides out and it's laminated. They can take this out and use it however they please, or you know, also they could just take it out and then they could add a picture right here if they wanted as well. But I just thought this was kind of fun to add in there, and I just think it looks pretty. So that flips over like that, and then I have my first notebook, and I've made one of these bride's bows, and this is out of the self-adhesive foam that you can pick up at Michael's. So I made a bow clip, and then this is the first notebook, and I did add some adhesive ribbon that I had picked up from Michael's. It's been in my stash for a while, and added that to the front of this notebook. I didn't want to do too much because I didn't want it to be too bulky, but I thought it was thin enough and really pretty to put on this notebook. And so the inside of the notebooks, I did use blank heavyweight cardstock. So 2 of the notebooks have heavyweight cardstock, and then 1 just has regular copy paper, so the person can do whatever they would like with this particular Traveler's notebook. As you can see, I have these cute little bears peeking out on the top. They look like this. This is a new die that I had recently picked up, and thought this was an absolutely adorable little addition to add this little bookmark or page hugger to the Traveler's notebook. So super, super cute. Let's see if I can get him up a little closer so you can see him. But so adorable. Love that. All right, so I will move along to the next notebook. So this is the back of the shaker, and as you can see, it's blank, and I did fuse it together so that there's 2 sides that open up, and I think that these would be great for putting pictures in or whatever you want, but I personally would probably put pictures of my kids or family in these little clear pockets, and there's room enough to, you know, do front and back, so that would be really pretty. This is my next folder. This one is a folder, and it is double-sided, and what I did was I used a sticker, and it says "It's a Wonderful Day." I created a tag from the collection. It says "Always be yourself with cute sunglasses," and I think that's really cute, and I did make it double-sided. And then these are just laminated and from the collection, and they can use this however they please. I just thought those are really cute. I included a bow clip, which I handmade this from a die, and I just stuck that in there. I thought it was pretty. And then this is my next notebook, and I added one of the cut-aparts, which is laminated, and I added a clip. It says "Lashes make everything better," and then I also added some really pretty decorative sticky trim on this notebook. And this is the next notebook right here, the third one, and then you see I have my little pin hoop, and I did get these pins, and I put the paper inside, and it's so pretty, and I used the heart sparkly paper on this one to decorate the inside of the pin. I love that idea. I think it's adorable. Make sure I'm focused here. And then this is the back of the notebook, and it has another pocket where you can slide stuff in. Another cut apart from the collection that's laminated. Both of them are laminated, and they can take them out and put them wherever they'd like or use them however they like. And then on this one, it does say "Handmade with Love." This was a little sticker that I've had in my stash, I think from Hobby Lobby, and I will be gifting this one to a crafty friend. And this is the back, and I just love this paper collection. I went to 2 Michael's, and it was completely sold out, and this is one pad that I wish I would have picked up 2 of. I normally don't pick up 2 paper pads, but I was dying to get my hands on another one, but didn't happen, so it's okay. I know more cute paper will come out soon enough. And then to go along with my Traveler's notebook, I did make a page marker, and I think it came out adorable. I included another one of those little hugging bear clips, a couple of embossed stamps that I inked up and embossed, and then I just cut them apart so they can use them however they please. There is some bling in there, and I did a little washi sample. So that's the little washi sample right there. And then I used one of my bow dies and die cut it out of that sticky foam. It's glitter sticky foam that has adhesive. I should say adhesive foam? Yeah, glitter adhesive foam from Michael's, and then added one of my little heart acrylic hearts to that little bow, and I just think it's really, really cute. And that's the back. So that is my first Traveler's notebook. I think what I'm going to do is I am going to come back and share with you the next 2 Travelers notebooks that I am going to be putting for sale. That way this video will not get too long. All right, so I hope you were inspired. Thanks for watching, and I will see you back with the 2 bookmarks or 2 traveler notebooks that I am going to be selling. So come back and I will see you soon. Bye for now.